A lot of people have been asking me how do I create my thumbnails. So on today's video, I am going to show you how I create my YouTube thumbnails from beginning to end, and you are going to love it. It is very, very simple to do. It's not something that you will stress yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do it from beginning to end without wasting your time. So watch this video to the end so you will learn everything. Now let us start. This is the app I use to create my thumbnails. It is called Background Eraser. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and download it. Now if you click on this app, Background Eraser, this is how the interface looks like. So this app is very simple to use. Everything, all the whole template, the background, the stickers, everything you are looking for is already here in this app. So what are you going to do is very simple. You click on this feature. Background remover is what I use to remove the background of my picture. But aside removing background, it has other features that you can use and customize different templates, flyers, anything you are looking for. But what I normally use it for is my thumbnails. Now first of all, let me show you something. If you click on this remove background, let me click on this my picture here. The app has successfully removed the background of this picture. Now if I want to use it for my thumbnail designing, let me show you how to do it. I click on save. You save this. So I've already saved this picture. Now look at different templates you can choose from, but this one is for t-shirt, this one is for phone, this one is if you want to use your picture for calendar, for profile photos, for summer holidays, for love templates, trips, holidays, but what we are looking for is thumbnail. Then you keep scrolling. All these things are format for thumbnails. So you are going to pick any background of your choice from here. Let me go with this background here. When you choose this background, everything here you can replace it. You can click on this place and replace the photo, and before they insert the photo, they are going to automatically take out the background of that picture. So I've replaced that photo with this one. All right, this is it. I can place it here. Then are you seeing how this app made everything simple? I can place my photo here, and then the text, I can change this text and write something like YouTube is on easy mode. I can use this as a thumbnail. Do you understand? But I don't like this background, so let me take everything out. I don't like this particular background, so I have to change another background. So now what am I going to do here? I take this one. I want it to look exactly as my thumbnail. I take this one out, then I click on this place. I click on background. This is for background, for text, for sticker. If you want to add photo, you can add from here. Then I click on background. I want to change the background of this. Then you keep scrolling. All these things are background you can choose from, right? So this is my background. Now have you seen it? When I choose this background, this is like a plain background, and this design are still here. I can remove them if I want to. I can shift it to this place, and I can take it out completely. All these designs here, but let me take this one here and then take this one out completely. All right, now this is my background. Then I zoom this picture. Pay attention. Then I zoom this picture. Keep it here. You click this good. Then you type your text here. You write something like, this is it. Now if you click here, you will see the font, different fonts you can choose from. Let me pick a font that is very okay. I think I like this font. YouTube is on easy mode. Now after this, what are you going to do? You still click on edit, then you select the text. You select the text that will best fit this color. The only thing that can bring out the color is black. You can use this to reduce the opacity and to increase it. So this one is for text. We chose black for the text. Then for the outline is like the border. Reduce it small. Then this one is background. There is no background. Shadow, you can add and increase shadow. Are you seeing something here? Another thing that you need to pay attention to is how to import stickers. Now I can click on this place, these stickers. You will see thousands of stickers are here, but what I'm looking for now is YouTube logo. So I go to add photo. I already have YouTube logo that I downloaded. This is it. I click on it. I remove the background of the logo. When you click on that scissors and background eraser is going to remove the background of that picture you imported. So now what am I going to do? The background removed both that white inside the YouTube logo and I need to add it back. So I click on repair. I come back to this place. I add the white back. Then you click on save. So YouTube is on easy mode. Now you look for arrow. You look for arrow to point. I want to show you exactly how I create my thumbnails. So this is the arrow I normally make use of. You click on it. It's already on my phone. So you can get it from stickers or from Google. You can do something like this. So this is exactly how to create it. Now, if you want this picture to have something like border or outline, look at what you're going to do. Look at outline. You click on it. You can choose this one. You can choose this one. You can choose this, and you can increase or reduce it. You get my point? So YouTube is on easy mode. So all these things are different features you can add. Anything you are looking for is here. This is to resize. This is to resize. Is already on YouTube because we are talking about thumbnail. This is background. To choose any background you want. Now, if maybe you are doing a holiday video or a travel video, you can choose any of this background, any of this beautiful nature. These are gradient background that you can choose from. Gradients. If you want it to be in form of a bricks. This is bricks form. So anything at all. If you want your thumbnail to have cars, bike, this is a car. This is bike. So depending on the niche you are into, no matter the niche, the background you are looking for is here. Look at this one. If you want to show interiors of house, look at these interiors, house interiors. So let me take this background. I think I like this. I prefer this background. So now, the more you use this app, the more you will be learning new things. The more you use the app, the more you discover new things. So this is to resize. This is background. This is text. If you want to add text, let me type Jazination and add here. Let me make it very small. Then you click on edit. Then you go to font. I pick this font here. Then you go to color. I pick black. This is it, Jazination. Then this is sticker. I've already talked about sticker. Look at, if you want to add an emoji to your thumbnail, these are emojis, free emojis to use, but I don't need this. So here you can add any photo. If I want to add Facebook or TikTok logo, just click on this place and it will automatically remove the background, but I don't want to add. Then if you want to add an outline to that sticker you clicked, then you can click here, white. See, are you seeing something now? So let me add white to it. YouTube is on easy mode. So this is exactly how I come up with my thumbnail, and it will look so attractive. All those extra designs that you are seeing is to make it to look more attractive and to be unique. So here it is very simple. Background eraser can do it for you. It can help you to change background, add pictures, remove background of pictures, add text, add stickers, and that is it. So now, if I want to put the exact background I normally use for my videos, I go to background, then I scroll down. If you click on background, instead of you to select the custom backgrounds here, you click on add photo here, then you scroll. Let me look for where my background is. So this is it. Are you seeing it? So this is exactly how I create my thumbnails. Go ahead and use this particular background eraser and they start creating your thumbnails to look more captivating. The only thing you need to do is to keep using it. The more you make use of it, the more you learn new things. For the sake of time, there are many things inside this particular app that I cannot cover just in one video. So all you need to do is keep practicing. Before you know, you will start creating professional and good looking thumbnail. Thank you very much. If this video interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video. And if this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Jazzy and I'm a creator for the creators. So I make content creation easier for you. And do well to follow my social media handles to get more updates. The link is in my description. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you on my next video.